Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, can you listen to music with one earphone? So, if you put one of your earbuds to the charging case and close the case, you can use only the second one. And to prove it for you, we can go to the settings and Bluetooth, and right here, as you can see, we still have connection. So yes, my short answer is yes, you can use only one earphone, but you can't pair your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with the second device. Only both of these earbuds with one device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!